Hello, I'm Mary Beth Fisk, the CEO and Executive Director of the Ecumenical Center. For over 50 years, the center continues to serve San Antonio and South and Central Texas. During this time of COVID-19, our stay-at-home orders, we want to bring you a few short videos that will highlight coping strategies, healthy relationships, and wellness information. You are all in our thoughts and prayers. Stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, remain calm, and find your joy even in these challenging times.
A warm hello to you from the Ecumenical Center. I'm Deborah Murphy, Open Art Studio Facilitator and Art Therapist. I'm here to share some tips on how to use art to enrich you and your children's time while at home. We'll be using common household items and recycled materials you already have at home to make art as you spend time together. Projects can be twofold: making the art and then enjoying it. Make the most of what your children and you create. First, art processes inherently help your child access areas that encourage creative thinking and skills associated with academic learning. Art also helps children and adults express feelings, release tension and excessive energy, or to make calm. Second, considerations are what to do with the art product after it's completed. The art can become the catalyst to connect the maker with another through an art critique, game, and show. What better way to learn more about one another and develop healthy social skills? You may find some of my ideas more tailored to your needs than others, and these activities may be more suitable at different times of the day. Don't feel creative? Don't be fooled into thinking you have to be original or unique when making art. Creativity comes from many places, and we don't live in a vacuum. Artists are not magicians. They expose themselves to many sources that nurture their creativity. Feeling creative comes more easily as you become acquainted with doing art. Think of it like exercise, a bit challenging if you're out of shape, but soon you'll find you have developed the strength and endurance you never had before. Just make stuff with your children without judgment and critical remarks. Be the important role model who demonstrates how making art is basic to our human existence and leads to confidence, self-esteem, adaptability, and self-awareness. Your child may be less inhibited than you when it comes to making things. Take their lead and learn from them. It will do you some good. My best advice is be organized and designate a place to make the art. Initiating art experiences becomes less of a challenge and more spontaneous. You can use laundry baskets, tubs, large coffee cans to hold any of these things. And here are some ideas to start. Here are puppets on electronic devices. You can make a puppet out of anything. I'm using a sock. And here's my cereal box that's become a puppet stage or electronic device. Pirate projects. Make a flag. Fill a treasure chest with things that you love. You could cut them out of a magazine. You could hide the treasure box and then draw a map and let people find your treasure. You might make an island out of a paper plate that contains 5 things you need to survive. You might make a boat and let it float in your bathtub. A family project is a family bouquet. Each member makes a flower for the bouquet. Discuss where your flower grows best, its unique features, and how each helped each other solve the challenges of making it. Take a picture of the bouquet. Send it to someone to brighten their day on social media, email it, or if accessible, print it out and make cards to send in the mail. Need more direction? Search on the web or YouTube for instructional videos. Let me stress how important it is to stay in the present. There is no need to busy yourself too much with how-tos. Let your children take the lead and enjoy it as a family experience. Make a story together about it. If you have more than one child making art, be mindful of the unique approaches on how you complement or redirect them. The end goal is for all to feel secure in the creative process. It is indeed a life skill. Enjoy the adventure together. Thank you.